Hello! Today I want to talk about the Bubble.us app offered through the Chrome Web Store. This is a collaborative, mind mapping, and brainstorming tool, and I think it's pretty great. So from the Chrome Web Store, you need to find the app and then click this button to install it. Once you've got it installed, you can launch the app from the Chrome Application Launcher. That will bring you to this screen here. Now, a great feature, in my mind, is that you can try out this app without having to sign up for an account beforehand. Just click here to try the app without an account, so you can decide if it's for you or not. You'll want to sign up for at least a free account later on if you decide you enjoy the app, as doing so will unlock some essential features like sharing. So here's the basic interface. I can just click into a bubble and start typing to create my mind map. I can drag and drop elements around the screen, and if I want to add a new element to my map, I just click on this Add button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. After I add it, I'm going to use this box here to change the color. Then I'm going to enter some text here as well. Now, if you want to connect two previously unconnected elements, just select one, then click this arrow here, then click the element that you wish to create a link to. You can also create elements that are automatically linked by selecting an existing element and then using the Quick Add buttons on either side of the box to create another element that is already linked to the origin point, like this. A really cool feature available to premium users is the ability to attach files to elements in the mind map, which can turn this from a simple brainstorming tool to a fully functional collaboration platform. You can adjust text size using the toolbar present in each element. Another useful tool if you want to eliminate some distractions and just focus on the product that you've created is to use the presenting mode like this. Finally, I want to talk about sharing. Through this sharing menu, you can either generate a shareable link or you can share directly with someone via email. You can also decide what type of permissions you wish to assign them while sharing. When I do that, they will get an email that looks like this, and all they have to do is click on the link to be taken to the mind map. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions, just let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.